We're back with our D&D and VPP sessions, and I just rolled 3 ones, which is not great. But you know what else is also sometimes not great is VPP app updates. Apps and Books provides a way for apps to be updated on the devices. However, if you're doing this via MDM, the way this works is the MDM needs to send the install application command. That command is something that is pushed by the MDM. Sometimes it's every 15 minutes, it's every 5 minutes. It kind of depends on every MDM and their cadence. But we send the instruction to the devices and says, hey, check the App Store. You need to reinstall it, get the fresh stuff. And if the app is open, for example, maybe it's something that their employees are always using, maybe it's a device that's in kiosk mode or single app mode, that app cannot update. It is something that requires perfect timing of the app being closed, the device being unlocked. If there is a passcode on the device, that device is not going to process the app update because it is locked with data protection, which is what you want. It is secured with the passcode. And it also needs to be online. It needs to be able to communicate both to your MDM and to the App Store to retrieve the app. So what you may see is a lot of install application commands looping to your devices and it's showing as completed, but the app not actually updating. This is because the device is reaching out to the App Store and saying, hey, I need to do this thing. I have a license. I'm instructed to do it. And the device realizing, oh, the app is open. You can't do the thing because you don't have a process to close it. And then it'll try again the next time it gets its instructions. It does work beautifully if you have something in single app mode to maybe put it into another app of a maintenance window saying, hey, we'll be right back. We're updating. And then generate the install application command. It will update beautifully. You have your maintenance mode kind of showing people what's going on. And then you take it out, the app is updated and ready to go. You can also communicate with your end users or schedule a time of saying, hey, everyone needs to, at a certain window, make sure your critical apps are closed so they can updates. It is definitely a dilemma and something that is immediately better in declarative app management.